one of our viewers, very, very regular viewer, she came to ask that, Enti asofo mu wo he, you the pastors that can see everything, you can see into the ballot box, you can change, when I go and vote for MPP, you can change it to NDC and everything. How come this one God didn't tell you? That's what the woman asked me. So I'm asking you, Sofo.
The voice medase mechia obia me ma enyina ye ho yako. And I came when after the last election, and mame koeleye, and since then I've been thinking a lot about your country, Ghana. Me dwene pa manka na meboa. Now just last week, me ni obi kasa. And obi say o kan se be na mka chen say ebo me local flight until further notice. Me jaifo.
Local trotro flight.
Me jai just last week. Na me ni obi kasa. Na mka say me sure more than 8 months now. And I'm a calm one time say me full local flight bill because can ye trotro cry the wamabi trotro trotro cry what they value a bit of value to it. I think we are waiting for something to happen. Na me sure say near see no so no. So be a juma or be a regular a year or full local flight na. It be between the home for say be a plane we be say a born in kaya na be a tree no ma tree woman. You see a problem. Na your problem ni nyina penifosing your day ahwede be fie no. Ono na odi ka den once na be fie. How a Ghana for yadwene dru sum sabi nkwase aseme ekoso the moral fiber of the nation na entity ni nyina no. I put Sanya money nyina at the doorstep of the NDC. Ingratitude, the word the average Ghanaian muno. I put Sanya money nyina at the doorstep of the NDC. Because the way almost the politics level almost drew no. You mu penny, you mu be just say power and equasi say just last week Lumba fear Nana do ko fear wha as human as he is na osu na comfort cha and they are better social media no more. I was like, hey, is that the level I drew no? Penimu na tifi bro in fear edu watche enya yin shira kase rade de amana. Na wakwa obi a ne yonko wa free mu fie na nisu atata no trying to control himself no na ye dey abetu social media na ye di na tem na bi mu ridicule. I was like, hey, who be devil does as people ni na ye NDC because since time immemorial about to be they try to pitch us against ourselves, divide and rule tactics. Yan can't and papa biada. And I just say actually, the voice now can so far some. After incident in the scene, when we videos are circulating about prophecies and conformity, me should be in real time. Me should be in real time. Some of the prophecies me should be in real time. No after.
Etinyaku kasa.
O kasa. Nyami gusu kasa wu. Na we see say entimi nkoba say ekura nipa tim ebo nyame mpaye. Bibi besi nyame ntwa mfonyini nkyere ne nkofo ewu kuru ne mu da. Nyame tiase. Nyame atiase. Na you see politics na akwaya to say yɛsaa de sɛ yadeɛ afei kɔfa asɔfoɔ ɛkɔ sɛ mmea nto aba makramoni na deɛ ne nyinaa no. I was like, you same people mo fa mo passport na mo kɔ Dubai, mo fa mo passport na mo kɔ Qatar, mo fa mo passport na mo kɔ other countries, Malaysia, China ne Singapore no. China ne Singapore ne Dubai mo ne ayi no. Asɔfoɔ na di president wɔ kurom hɔ. Asɔfoɔ na di president wɔ China. Yɛnka nokorɛ ɛna yɛadane nokorɛ ni. Enche bia sisi ano obi akwa bi asem kan obi abɛte ne blood full ɛwɔ kurom ha. Enche bia dollar na yɛsɛ so ate no rate no ɛwɔ bank hɔ ɛwɔ aban ne hɔ ba dollar no ɛwɔ abochi ne hɔ. The voice made the order to over 2 months now in Timinkoye. Makoya bank order.
They say ekoyi kakra na ya tier $15.
Yes.
So we have even given up. So now we just change the money at the bank at once and we don't.
Yes. Yes. And what is happening to us in the name of politics? Ya say bia woman na nado. You could have bought new planes, but for women, kwasi assembly abro agene and a ujarigu yaso or to play mu a jarigu yaso. The last time I kaya the nado big plane call you and me TV. I say first landing. It took like I'm saying 1 hour not planning to me land there.
Yeah.
One time I say, New York, I think.
Yeah, no correct. Now I'll call you in. Yeah.
Yes, but nyame no kwafo. Obi can say death levels has all, but enyama bu hesi eba hu say nyame sekita bi mu nyame on patrol nyame si na twetwe nti so okofa asofo bedi wachi ebe bompa ye na nyame na ayiwu na niema wei kwaso nipa no come to think of it, if this idea were incident we esi cover the time one.
Hey,
I tell you, before
I'll come back to you, Sofo.
You can't see from now, no me cano because the me am money so be the president. And no for so be dinner or didn't pay Charson and Yame a drome or my Ghana.
Yo, me that say, Sofo, I'll come back to you, Sofo. So that is Reverend, approved by the Holy Spirit Himself. Wait there, I can vouch for him. Dashel, good evening.
Hello, how are you?
I'm alive for a long time no see.
I know, I've been so busy, yeah?
No, I see.
Anytime, I think you've been coming in the evenings lately, so.